In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to install the Opera GX browser on your Windows 11 computer. So the first thing you need to do is obviously make sure you have internet connection and then open a browser on your computer. You can either use the default browser on your Windows computer, which is Microsoft Edge, or if you have other browsers like Firefox and Chrome, you could use those as well. But every computer has Microsoft Edge, so let's use Microsoft Edge. Now, once you launch Microsoft Edge, simply go to the search bar at the top and then type Opera GX, download, and then hit enter to search, and you should find the results for the Opera GX official browser. The website is www.opera.com, so make sure you don't make a mistake and click on the wrong link. And this is the Opera website webpage from where you need to download the Opera GX browser. Now you can manage your cookies from here. If you don't like to be tracked, do whatever you need to do, and then click on download Opera GX. You can also use this button, but this is just fine. You can see it already detects that you're using a Windows computer, so click on that and allow the Opera GX installer to be downloaded. Now with the download complete, you should see that it's complete at the top here. Click on open file, or you can click on this folder icon to go to exactly where that file has been downloaded and double click on it from there. Whichever way you go, it's going to start the Opera GX installer. Now let me just minimize everything else so we can clearly see what's going on here. So this is the installer, and all you need to do now is click on accept and install. And the installer will download the necessary files to run Opera GX browser on your computer. So give it time. Once the installer finishes downloading necessary files, it will launch the Opera browser. And this is what the Opera GX browser looks like. It's a normal browser. You can open tabs, close tabs, and then you have a little menu on the left hand side. You also have the settings icon where you can go ahead and tweak the settings of your browser. And when you close the browser, you can always launch it from a desktop shortcut that's been created automatically, or you can launch it from the start menu by typing Opera and launch it from there. That's really how to install the Opera GX browser on your Windows 11 computer. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.